Hello, my name is Bhavya Khanna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you already see my videos, thank you for coming back and showing me a love. This video is part 2 of what to pack for NEFT. In the first part, I talked about everyday essentials that you need at college. In this part, I'll be talking about stationery, which is very important. So yeah. So I've made a list of stuff that I took or I remember I had to buy in the first sem. So I made a list of that, and if you think I missed out on anything, you're most welcome to write it down in the comment section below so that it helps others as well. So starting with stationery, first is your basic shading pencils, HB, 2B, 4B, वो सब ले लेना. And they would tell you to carry Staedtler pencils, but I would suggest कि पहले basic art line अप्सरा से काम करो, get a hang of how to keep things, because चोरियाँ बहुत होती हैं, तो then you can buy Staedtler if you want. Otherwise normal से भी I think चल जाते हैं. I didn't buy Staedtler in my first sem. I think I need them now, but for now first sem के लिए your normal HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B are fine. That comes in a box, okay? And then carry poster colors, and poster colors you would need, and if you know how to paint with acrylics, carry that. Carry a lot of paint brushes, you will need them. Staedtlers, make a separate pouch for Staedtlers, and please label it because it's very likely to get stolen. Carry sketchbooks to like A3, A4 and A5 because अभी एक एक ही लेके जाओ, क्योंकि वहाँ जाके आपको LD बनानी पड़ेगी. हर सब्जेक्ट की एक LD होती है, लर्निंग डायरी. उसमें प्रोफेसर आपको अलग अलग साइजेस बताएंगे उनकी प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से, तो आपको ख़रीदना पड़ेगा. बट एक A3, A4, A5 ले लो, बिकॉज इट्स कभी कभी आप लोग फर्स्ट वीक में इतना बाहर नहीं जाते हो, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट. ऑल्दो स्टेशनरी शॉप्स होती हैं, बट जब हम अपने कॉलेज गए थे तो स्टेशनरी वॉज क्लोज, तब कोई स्टेशनरी नहीं थी, तो हम एक एक लेके गए थे, A3, A4, A5. Okay, and then carry 2 notebooks, one ruled, one unruled, to take notes in class. Watercolor sheets, watercolors, separate brushes for different mediums if you like. I kept it like that. Then basic color sheets in A3, A4, your X-Acto knife, your basic scissors, glue, Fevicol, hot gun की sticks, glue drops, colored pens, glitter pens, sketch pens, alcohol markers. सब तो नहीं चाहिए होगा, बट सी कि आप किस चीज़ों से काम करना प्रेफर करते हो या आपको कौन सी मीडियम्स पसंद है. टेक अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ओके, देन कैरी अ स्केल. छोटा स्केल भी ले लो, बड़ा स्केल भी ले लो, प्रेफरेबली मेटल. उसके बाद कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ पाउचेज एंड ऑर्गेनाइजर्स फॉर योर स्टेशनरी. एंड देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, हाँ, कैरी अ बिग फाइल, A3 and A4 again, to store your sheets, because it's always good to keep them in a file so that they don't get lost. उसके बाद your basic LD stuff is done. This is done. Yes, carry basic embroidery stuff, hoops, needles and beads. This is not necessary, but like a lot of people know how to do embroidery, and you get a lot of different assignments in NEFT which you can use embroidery in. Okay, so I didn't know embroidery when I went to NEFT, but बहुत अच्छा लगता था when I did those assignments that way. And I think अगर आपको आती है तो आप कर सकते हो, वरना YouTube से सीख सकते हो. It's not necessary, but again, if you want to take. And if you have any stationery at NEFT, for example, मेरे पास वो पेपर वाले कटर्स थे जो जिससे पेपर कटता है. Then I had very fancy inks because I used to do calligraphy. Copper plate की nibs, pen holder, glass pen, उसकी ink आती है अलग से. And then वो photo colors आते हैं, art card sheet. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो आपके पास होंगी, बट ऑब्वियसली सब सामान नीचे होता है. बट इट्स बेटर टू टेक, बिकॉज इफ़ यू नो हाउ टू वर्क, यूल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज़ कि हम इस चीज़ से इसमें कर सकते हैं. तो जितने ज़्यादा मीडियम्स आपके पास हो, इट्स वेरी ईजी एक्चुअली टू do your work, and presenting it creatively is always an edge. So yeah, if you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. If you think I forgot anything, I'm again mentioning, leave it down in the comment section below so that others can also see. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.